Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can generate a video on InVideo. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open the InVideo AI app or AI website, and after opening that, simply you have to create account on that, or you have to log in that, and after that, you will get the option like this. Now you have to provide the command here that which type of video you want. You have to provide all the details which you want to create a video, and after that, as you can see, workflow and plugins, some other options are provided here. You can also use them. So simply what we have to do, I'm gonna write the comments here that how which type of video I want and what things it has to add. So simply we have to wait for few seconds. So now simply what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write the commands. So as you can see, I have written a simple command here, make a short video on online earning, and then simply we have to hit the generate video. And after clicking on the generate video, it will take few seconds or few minutes in creating a video. It's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster result. So as you can see, analyzed and thinking, these are the steps for creating a video. So you have to wait for a few seconds until it generates the video. So as you can see, after that we need to provide some basic details like which type of audience, like the students, and look and feel, which type of clean, and after that platform, which platform you want. For example, I'm going to use the YouTube short, so simply I'm going to click on the continue, and after that we have to wait for a few seconds again until it generates after confirming the details. So as you can see, the 12% of the video is done. So after the 100% video will be done, you have to click on the export and the video will be exported. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create a video on InVideo. So see you guys in the next video.